In 1901, deep beneath the waters near a small Greek island, divers made a discovery that would shake the foundations of history. At first glance, it looked like nothing more than a corroded lump of bronze, but hidden inside was something extraordinary. A machine. Not just any machine, a precision device with interlocking gears carefully engineered to track the cosmos itself. Today, we call it the Antikythera Mechanism, and it is widely recognized as the world's first computer. Built in the 2nd century BC, this device could predict eclipses, map planetary motion, and track celestial cycles decades in advance. Its complexity rivals mechanical clocks that wouldn't appear in Europe until more than 1,500 years later. How could such knowledge exist and then vanish? Even more mysterious, the mechanism used a system of gears to replicate the irregular orbit of the moon, a problem so complex it wasn't fully understood until modern astronomy.